I'm going to share with you not juicing, but something that is really incredible when it comes to boosting your energy, all right? Remember this. If you want to be happy, if you want to be fit, if you want to be stronger, if you want to be rich, if you want to be able to spend quality time to nurture your relationship with your spouse, with your children, with someone that you love, it's all about energy. So tonight I'm going to share with you this incredible smoothie called the Energy Boosting Smoothie. All right, Energy Boosting Smoothie is going to give you that energy that you need instead of relying on coffee. Energy Boosting Smoothie is so important. I use this every day, most of the time to boost my energy. First and foremost, I want to share with you what are the 3 very important rules when it comes to making smoothies. Rule number 1, never add ice or water into your smoothies. I repeat, never add ice or water into your smoothies. That is the worst thing someone could ever do, right? Why? Because it dilutes the taste of the smoothie. I like my smoothie to be rich and creamy. Otherwise, it's not a smoothie. You want the taste to be rich, and it's so important. So, Mark, then how do I get my smoothies cold or chilled? What I do is I use frozen ingredients. The secret to get nice, cool smoothie is using frozen ingredients. So make sure, especially like bananas, it will get ripened very fast after, a week or 2. And don't throw it away, because when you see a lot of black spots at your banana, that is the sweetest point. That is the most delicious point when you make smoothies with it. So I will always peel off the skin, I put it into a container and I freeze it. Rule number 2 on making smoothies the right way, the Mak Leong way, is minimum 5 ingredients. A minimum of 5 ingredients. Why 5 ingredients? Now, smoothies are supposed to be a pre-workout, post-workout, a meal replacement at times when we don't have time to eat. You want something fast so that it fills your stomach, right? So it can't be drinking a smoothie with 2 ingredients. You are undernourished when you do that. You want to have complete nutrients. Let me ask all of you this question. Let me ask you this. For your meals, whether it's lunch or dinner, if I were to ask you, just eat your rice lah. Can you do it? Can, right? But is it correct? Are you having all the different nutrients that you require in that meal? Yes or no? Make sense? Same thing. So when you're drinking a smoothie, you cannot just put 1 or 2 ingredients. Oh, Mark, I put banana and I put the juice or the milk. It's like then you're eating rice, you put soya sauce. Okay, no, right? So you gotta have at least 5 ingredients, a minimum. So every smoothies that I make, I have at least 5 ingredients. And that's why tonight you're gonna find that, wow, there's incredible amount of ingredients that I'm actually using for this recipe, so that you have all the right nutrients, minerals, vitamins, and it is perfect for you if you are a very busy person. Sometimes you don't have time to eat because you got meetings after meetings, right? And you should not skip your meals, even though you're very busy. It's really easy that we forget about it, and that's why people put on weight, because you think that, okay, you know what, I'm just so busy, after that I'm going to eat. Then you start eating a lot or you eat too late. That's where we start gaining weight. Does this make sense? Rule number 3, consume your smoothies within 4 hours. Do not leave your smoothies after 4 hours. So consume within 4 hours. Why? When you make smoothies, you make it not with a cold press, you make it with a blender, right? So when you blend your smoothies, what tends to happen? Oxidization starts to happen, right? And that's why you see a lot of bubbles in your smoothies after you blend it, right? Because there is heat that is generated. So the longer you keep it, the lesser nutrient contents it has. Unless if you are using a very special vacuum blender like we do. But if you're not running a business of selling juices or smoothies, then you don't need to invest in that expensive special blender. You just need a typical blender that we use at home to blend our spice, our rempah, our curry, our soups and whatever not, then you got to drink it within 4 hours because there is a huge difference, right? So these are the 3 very important rules to make smoothies the right way. When is a perfect time to drink this? This is perfect during the day when you're feeling a bit tired after lunchtime. So now this is something that you want to consume because it's great, all right? Now, on top of it, this is perfect for any one of you who are really busy at times and you still got no time to exercise, but you want to make sure that you don't gain weight. Okay, because this allows your body to break it down easier compared to eating something solid late at night. If you are working out, before your workout, you feel very tired. You want to drink something, drink this. It is also perfect for a post-workout. Now, have you heard or been told before, after workout, it is important to get food into your body within the first 30 minutes? But I tell you this is a myth, all right? True in the sense that, yes, the body within the first 30 minutes after workout, it needs nutrients. That is truth. The fake thing and the myth that no one has told you is that you shouldn't go and eat a piece of steak or chicken breast the first 30 minutes after you work out. Why? Your body's energy is depleted from that intense workout. You're tired. And when you eat something solid, the body is not able to digest effectively. And it makes you more tired. So what do? I drink something liquid, whether it's a soup, whether it's a smoothie, so that my energy used to digest within that 30 minutes is lesser. Then only after that, when I'm recovered, I'm much stronger, I will eat solid. That makes a lot of sense. And this is what a lot of my amazing CrossFit friends, right, bodybuilders do it. And people who are celebrities that does this. So I want to share these tricks with you that you might not have been told about it. So this is perfect for all those situations that I've just mentioned. So now, let me jump in now into making these incredible smoothies.